Okay, so Dave Colombo reporting in. We're out here at Lake Ralphine trying a second version of the passive sonar system. We've amped it up a little bit, same 10-watt amplifier on the signal, but we've actually added a underwater microphone, or speaker actually. So imagine this, I took one of those greeting cards that has the little recorded sound inside of it with a plastic speaker. So I take the speaker and I've actually put it inside of a plastic container, which now ironically is filled partially with water. So this plastic speaker is still working when it's halfway wet. Put it in water and, oh, that was weird. Crazy. Put it in water to see if in fact we could transmit sound, and then pick it up with the hydrophone, which is down here at the other end of the dock. So we've got the amplifier, equalizer, so I can actually see that there's sound working through it. And then here we have a simple Uniden CB radio that all we're using it for is be able to key the mic through the output speaker. Now the crazy thing is that I'm keying the sound through the mic and then transmitting it downstream into the water, being picked up that direction, and then all the way back to the amplifier and then to these great looking headphones that I'm wearing. So I'm going to take the headphones off and I'm going to put the camera up to one of the ears, and then we're going to listen to what we can hear. Alright, so let's see if we can make this work. Okay, so here we go. So I'm talking normal voice right now. I'm now going to change into the microphone mode. So here we go. Click on. And now the microphone is on, and I'm talking, pointing the other direction, away from you, while it is transmitting underwater and to the headphone, which is hooked to the camera. So as we pan around, I can probably hear this conversation over here if I listen quietly. Okay, so is that crazy or what? So whether I point over toward the ducks and listen, all of that is being transmitted underwater and back to these headphones. Okay, so we're out here at Lake Ralphine. We got a couple volunteers. One young lady wearing the headphones, which is connected to the amplifier. And over here we have another young lady who is going to talk into the microphone, which is transmitting to the speaker, to the hydrophone, to this young lady. Okay, so if you'll go ahead and turn around and say something, click the mic and say something into it. Just press that button.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It sounds good. Sounds good. This is pretty neat. This is pretty neat.
Zach?
I wonder what it sounds like. I wonder
Okay,
what it
all right.
sounds like.
Trade positions and try this.
That's awesome. So do I just push it and
Just
talk?
press it and talk.
Are you ready? How are you? How are you? How does it sound? How does it sound? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What time is it? What time is it?
Is that crazy or what?
Yeah. So what is?
Just finishing up for our second test here of the underwater hydrophone. Tell you what, this is one of the craziest experiences I've ever had with underwater communication. Not quite sure why it's working so well, but pretty exciting. So I'm pulling up the speaker. I just pulled it up out of the water, and if we look at it, it's nothing more than, believe it or not, a case that holds a piece of black electrical tape. Whoops. And it is, wow, look at that. It's halfway full of water, plastic speaker encased in water, encased in a duct electrical tape container, and it's still working. It's still transmitting, but the weird part is it doesn't work unless it's in the water. Go figure, huh? So anyway, so Dave Colombo signing off out here at beautiful Lake Ruffine. Second test, hydrophone. Great success for one night.